The High Court in Kuala Lumpur fixed July 11 to hear former Prime Minister Tan Sri Muhyiddin Yassin's application to strike out 4 charges made against him for allegedly using his position to obtain gratification amounting to RM232.5 million for Parti Pribumi Bersatu Malaysia, Bersatu. Judge Dato' Muhammad Jamil Hussein set the date when the case came up for mention on Wednesday in the presence of Deputy Public Prosecutors Dato' Wan Shaharuddin Wan Ladin and Ahmad Akram Garib, as well as lawyer Dato' Hisham Tepotek representing Muhyiddin. Muhyiddin, who is Bersatu President, was exempted from attending today's proceeding. Earlier, Hisham requested the court to fix 3 days for the hearing. However, Judge Muhammad Jamil said 1 day was enough and fixed July 11 to hear the application. 76-year-old Muhyiddin filed a notice of motion on April 18 to request that he be acquitted and discharged of all 4 charges brought against him on March 10 and that the proceedings of the case at the Sessions Court be postponed pending the motion hearing. Through a supporting affidavit filed with the notice of motion, he claimed that all 4 charges were flawed and not according to law. Muhyiddin, as the then Prime Minister and Bersatu President, was charged with using his position to obtain bribes amounting to RM232.5 million from 3 companies, namely Ukari Equity Sdn Bhd, Nepturis Sdn Bhd, and Mamfor Sdn Bhd, and also from Dato' Azman Yusof for the party. He was charged with committing the offences at the Prime Minister's office in Putrajaya between March 2020 and August 2021. Meanwhile, Muhyiddin's application for the trial of his cases involving using his position to receive bribes and receiving proceeds from unlawful activities to be transferred from the Sessions Court to the KL High Court will be heard before Judge K. Munianti on July 10. In addition to the 4 charges of using his position for bribery, Muhyiddin is also faced with 2 charges of receiving proceeds from unlawful activities amounting to RM195 million from Ukari Equity, which was deposited into Bersatu's CIMB bank account. He is alleged to have committed the offence at the Menara KL branch of the CIMB bank between 2021 and 2022. The Pago Member of Parliament, who is Perikatan Nasional Chairman, was also charged in the Shah Alam Sessions Court on March 13 with receiving proceeds from unlawful activities amounting to RM5 million, and the case was transferred to the KL Sessions Court to be tried with the other cases.